Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Thursday, November 15th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Kept it simple with one market today. We traded in the NASDAQ. A lot of similar trades in the ES, but we only call one market at a time anyway. So just kept it to the NASDAQ. Excuse me. Got long at 9:36 Central Standard Time, or I'm sorry, 9:36 Eastern Standard Time. 67, 68.50 in the NASDAQ. Right here as the market was going up, wanted to get them in even lower, but we just waited for a little more confirmation. And I called targets 68, 67.80, 67.90, and 68.09. Okay, those targets were called when we got in the trade. All of them were hit. And in fact, 67.80, I said if it goes to 80, it's probably going to go to 90. These are the two major targets, but 80 was the first one that I had called a little bit lower. And that was about 45 ticks from where we got in. And that was just a beauty, just straight up. And then we got short on an understanding trade after that. And that was at 10:27, 10:30. And that was at 67.46.50 on the 10:30 candle, 67.46.50, and that trade made well over 120 ticks. Down when it got down, I called. This was a level we were looking at as an exhaustion level, this target circle. When it went down further, I told anybody that's still in, you can get long, or if you're out, you can get long. Now, in all fairness, this wiggled around here. It made about 20, 25 ticks, but it did come back down on the next candle. So I don't know if anybody could have stayed in. I wanted to call it again. I just didn't. People in the mentoring, I did, but for the call room, I figured we got a big one there, a big one here, and 20, 25 ticks here. I didn't want to get greedy. So that looks like a big move, but it was really 20, 25 ticks. Because you got to move your stop up. And then I told everybody not to worry, because if we can't get back in there, we would get in higher, which we did. We had 3 more trades after that. We took another trade at 10:57 on the 10:57 candle, again 67, 68.50. This time I called a target of 77.50, and that was 35 ticks. Called target. And then we got short on a ZL. Market came back down, shot back up. Got short on a ZL at the 11:12 candle, 67.91-ish. And that went down. Actually, I'm sorry, we got in at 67.92. 67.92, and that went down. Another 30, 35 ticks. It actually went a little bit more, but again, because it bounced around here, if people took 30 ticks and went to entry really quick or whatever, you have to give it a little room. We did have a hard area we were looking at, the 82s, and I told everybody if they can't get below the 82s, it's going to be a problem, and they never did. They tried like 5 times. So if they can't get below, it's going to go back up. We'll get long. That's exactly what happened. The market went up. We got long on the 36 candle, 68.14.75, and that trade went up another 20, 30 ticks, and that was the end. We didn't take any more. There was a couple other opportunities there, but everybody was done pretty much. We're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. Don't forget to check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and we'll see everybody back tomorrow.